grand old partisan, celebrates more than 16 decades of Republican heroes and heroics. Today, I laud Charles Evans Hughes, born April 11th, 1862. After winning renown for uncovering corruption in the insurance and gas industries, the talented attorney was elected governor of New York. He declined the 1908 Republican vice presidential nomination in order to run for re-election. In 1910, President William Howard Taft appointed him to the U.S. Supreme Court. Hughes resigned when Republicans nominated him for president to run against the incumbent Woodrow Wilson. He lost narrowly in the Electoral College by narrowly losing New York, because the Republican governor there did not campaign for him. Hiram Johnson, who had betrayed the GOP as Theodore Roosevelt's bull moose running mate 4 years before, was miffed at not being himself the nominee. Hughes accepted the post of Secretary of State in the Warren Harding administration. Among his many accomplishments was organizing the 1921 Washington Conference, which prevented a naval arms race after World War I. He left the cabinet after 4 years' service. Herbert Hoover appointed Hughes to be Chief Justice, replacing William Howard Taft. He was confirmed, but only after strenuous opposition by some Democrat senators concerned about him having been a corporate lawyer. His supporters pointed out that on those grounds the Democrats would have voted not to confirm Abraham Lincoln, who had also been a corporate lawyer. So distinguished was Hughes's tenure on the High Court, several Democrats publicly apologized for having voted against him. Hughes served as Chief Justice until 1941, throughout the New Deal. History books that belittle the Supreme Court's opposition to the New Deal ignore the towering reputation of Chief Justice Hughes. Even many Democrats were outraged that Franklin Roosevelt dared to criticize Charles Evans Hughes. Back to Basics for the Republican Party is my civil rights history of the GOP. To quote the book, "The more we Republicans know about the history of our party, the more the Democrats will worry about the future of theirs." For more information, see grandoldpartisan.com.